might think this video is a clickbait. No, it's not. Actually, I almost blew up on YouTube. I said I wanted to tell you guys how that happened and how you can learn a few things from me. And please, sorry about the background noise, because this is one of the things you face as a creative in Nigeria. You have churches and schools around you. Story of my life. So let's get right into the video. So yeah, I blew up on YouTube. Yeah, you were thinking, how did you do it? You're still in 100 and something subscribers. I mean, and it's supposed to be like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Hello, do not judge. Please, do not. Everybody has their subjective side to things, right? So yeah, I blew up on YouTube because one of my videos decided to get some views. I started my YouTube channel over a year now, and it has been a bittersweet journey. And I did share a few things I have learned for the 1 year that I've been on YouTube. You can check out the video. It all started with one video. Now, I watched this movie called KAMBILI the whole 30 yards, yeah, and I really needed to talk about this because my channel is all about talking about movies, books, and whatnot. As far as there's a story that I can talk about, I'm there because I love stories in all forms. And yeah, if you want to check more about what LoveViakada is, or you want to feel the vibe of all what LoveViakada is, you can check my playlist and also check my about page to get more info about what is going on right here. So I finally decided to talk about this movie that I've watched on Netflix. And somehow I did the video and I published the video, and guess what? It got banned worldwide, meaning that no one else could watch the video except me. I almost wanted to cry because I really did love this video and I felt something really deep about this video I made, because I knew that you know, as most creatives on your YouTube, you know, there are videos you make and you know that yes, this one video is really going to push it for you. You're really going to blow with this and go viral and become a YouTube famous. Yeah, but no, YouTube had other plans for me and they banned the video. So I kept the video on private. Coming this year, I said no. YouTube, you can't do this to me. I suffered to make that video and I wanted people to watch this movie and see what I saw and, you know, talk about this movie because I really wanted to share what my thoughts were. So yeah, you couldn't do this to me. So I took back the video and guess what? I revamped it, tweaked it a little bit, and here I am. And the video is almost 500 views. Come on! Yeah, 500 views and no audience retention. Yeah, I'm going to be able to. But that's not the reason why I'm here. I'm here to tell you that if you have any video that you really want out, bring it. Don't waste time making any videos. And if you feel some kind of way about some videos that you know is going to rank one on YouTube, don't be shy about it. Publish it. Imagine I had published a video and it got banned and I forgot about the video. Would it have given me 500 views? I mean, almost 500 views. That one video you think is going to be stashed there will be your saving grace as a video. Might be just that one video you're feeling tired about and you just say, no, I really think I should publish this video because this video is going to make a lot of sense. Even though I have published this video and I've said that it actually got some traction, I've learned 3 things from this. 1, what kind of videos on my YouTube channel are actually going to do well. I mean, and I've checked from all my data analytics. Nollywood movies actually rank very well for me because I talk about Nollywood movies on my film notes playlist in comparison to other videos on my YouTube channel. Though I'm the kind of person who is not really in on the niching down, but I can see myself really leaning in on the Nollywood movies review. Who knows? But I'm still testing water because I'm someone who enjoys different interests in life and I wanted my channel to encompass all those interests, you know, and that's why I created playlists for them. So if you're someone who enjoys Nollywood movies, then you should go check out my film notes playlist. If you're someone who enjoys books, you should go check out my book note playlist. If you're someone who enjoys from films to books, check out my FBTF notes. And if you want to talk about life and everything, Candid Watch to Diaries. Okay, that was so fast, right? The second thing that I've learned about, you know, this video that I actually done is that I now really know how to get my audience, because I know that people do not really like staying. They have an attention span of 0.1 second or what? Hello, why don't you guys stick around? So yeah, another thing again is I shouldn't give up on any video. If I feel some kind of way about a video and I really want to publish it, I should publish that video. No matter how, I think that, oh, many people have talked about this video, if I feel some kind of way about the video, do publish it. And that was what happened to me with this KAMBILI, the whole 30 yard. I mean, I felt strongly about this video. I needed to talk about it. I needed to publish it on my YouTube channel. And guess what? It got banned. And I gave up. In fact, I didn't say I gave up. I just left it on my private videos. But I was like, no, I put in the effort to publish this video. So why would I allow it hanging there and just, wasting away? No, what I did, I took it back, tweaked it a bit, and I published it. And guess what? It's getting almost 500 views. I know that I really need to work on my audience retention. How do I get your attention here? Come on, tell me. Tell me in the comment section below. That's all I wanted to tell you guys about the video that I made and how I always blew up with the video. And hopefully I can make another video that will make me gain subscribers. And yeah, I wish I could get more subscribers. I really want to have that 100k plaque by the end of this year. Is it possible? Can I do it? Can I? I know I can. Amen. Amen. So yeah, guys, if you really enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Like this video and give this video a thumbs up. And if you really want to join this LoveViakada family, because I want you guys to grow with me, I want you guys to celebrate with me, you should subscribe to this family. And you can follow me on all social media platforms, where I'm always me. TikTok, Twitter, Instagram. And whenever you think you can find me, I'm always there at LoveViakada. And I also have a photography and film page called Viakada on Instagram, so you can follow me there too. And you can watch this video coming up now, the video that blew me up. Yes, you can watch it, add more views to it, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.